Hey y'all, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and I have a Goodwill haul. Yes, I do. So I am just going to kind of get right into it. I think the color of the day was yellow. I don't think any of my things are yellow, but let's go ahead. There's only 5 items, so my total was $9.95. You can round up, so I donated 5 cents to the charity, so my total was $10. So with 5 items, this should go really fast, right? So I did pick this up, and it's a Nutcracker moisturizing soap and soy wax candle. This was $1.99. I'm gonna take this off. So I have a Nutcracker collection. I'm gonna try to see if I can get you guys up a little. Okay, so I keep a lot of my Nutcrackers up there. Now I have to try to get you guys back. My hands are shaking a little bit, so I'm sorry. Oh, now I just have to pray you guys don't fall over. That's a totally different angle, isn't it? Okay. Well, anyways, that was my Nutcracker collection, right? Okay. So I am going to take this off and just put this up there. With that, I do keep my Nutcracker collection up all year long. Anyways, I'll take it off. So I just thought it was really cute. Again, I'll keep it up all year because I just love it. So, and they're not all Christmas ones. I have football ones, I have a firefighter, I have cops. They're just all different ones. So yeah, I keep it up. And then these are 6 vanilla scented erasers for 99 cents. I'm not sure what I was thinking. They're macaroons. I just thought they were cute, so I was like, well, maybe I'll put them on one of my trays, my 2-tiered or 3-tiered trays, just because they look like cute little macaroons, and they're kind of like springy colors, so I got those. I did pick this up, and it does need to be cleaned. It was 99 cents, and I think it's by World Market, and it's a Mason jar glassware company. But it's a spoon rest. And so I just thought that was so cute. Like, it doesn't even have to be just for a spoon rest. But I just thought it was so cute. So I got that, and it was 99 cents. Okay. So this is called an easy scrapbooking calendar. Don't throw yesterday away, just crop it. So it's 365 days of decorative borders and elements. So new, heavier weight paper. It says it's easy. Trim off the date, paste photo on calendar page, paste page in scrapbook, and decorate. Acid and lignin free. So it was $2.99. It's from 2005. But sorry, my son just started to come through. So let's see. So they did it so that the date is up here. So that once it's gone, like you can, you can just use this. Say hi. So it's just, you can use all the different things. So again, crop off the date there. You can use this, you can cut this out, use this for something, and use this as a border. Anyways, let's see what other, I want to see what like spring decor they have, kind of. So September, August, July. They nicely put it in order for me, so let's see. I'm trying to find March, guys. If you watched my video right before this, I smacked my head on the chair. And yeah, my head is still hurting just a little bit. But okay. Actually, let's see mine. My birthday is March 23rd. So let's see what they have for mine. This is the paper that they have. So you would just crop the top off and you would use that. But let me show you the next one because I saw that and I thought it was cute. Oh my gosh, that was the next one. So there is March 24th. Okay. So my son has been sleeping all day long, and right now was the time that cereal needed to be poured, guys. But, and then it's like in a thick box. So I really liked that, and that's a lot of scrapbooking pages. And then my husband is in the Air Force, and so I loved this. This was $2.99, and it is by K and Company, and it's Air Force paper, 24 double-sided papers. Again, it was $2.99, and all of them are here. And so I love just like this page, and then that's just the top. They're just, you know. So let's see. This page is very pretty. I love that one. Just some camo and some stars. The flag that, I mean, I just love how they did that flag. It's so pretty. some more camo. Look at this one, guys. Like, if you can get up close, it's so pretty. So I love that. And then in some of my other hauls, I hauled some Air Force stickers from Michael's for like $1. So yeah, so I'm going to make a little scrapbook for him just to do it. So that is my small little haul from the Goodwill. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope that you're all having an amazing week, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.